Okay, so Soundcore sent me 2 more earbuds to test out and review. They sent me the Life.2 earbuds, which I do have over here, right over my right shoulder, and then also these Life A2 NC earbuds. Now, I'm always interested to see what Soundcore has been cooking up, so stick around for a bit. Let's talk about these Life A2 NC earbuds.
You want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on, YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. So like I said in the intro of this video, Soundcore did send me these earbuds to test out and review, but as always, I'm gonna keep this video unbiased and just give you my full and honest opinion about how I feel about these earbuds. Okay, so quickly going around this box on the front side, as you can see, it says Life A2 NC at the top right, true wireless noise canceling earbuds, multi-mode noise cancellation. And the multi-mode noise cancellation talks about what you can do with these earbuds inside of the app, which I will get to in a little bit. Hybrid ANC, 35 hours of playback time, 6 mics for clear calls. On the back side, it mentions again hybrid active noise cancellation with multiple modes, thumping sound with 11mm drivers, talks about the 6 mics again with uplink noise reduction, IPX5 water resistant, so these can handle a trip to the gym, a little bit of light rain, you should be good money. Soundcore app for customized EQ, which I will get into, like I said before, later on in this video. And then also it says 7 hours of playback time, 35 hours with the charging case. So that 7 hours of playback time is on a single charge, and then the charging case will charge your earbuds back up 4 additional times for a total of 35 hours. The charging case will take around 2 hours to charge these earbuds back up completely if you do drain the battery, and then to charge the charging case back up with the earbuds inside, it will also take around 2 hours to charge everything back up completely. Now these do come with fast charge, like it says on the back of the box. It says charge for 10 minutes to get an additional hour and a half of playback time. And then also they only come in this one color, which is black. I would have liked to see them in multiple colors, maybe also like a blue and a white. It seems like that's the way that Soundcore has been leaning traditionally with some of their earbuds and headphones. They have a blue, a white, and a black pair, but these only come in this black color. Okay, so inside of this box, what you would get, you do have some literature right here. Not really going to talk about that. And as you can see, you do have your 2 different ear fins right here. I do believe there's one already installed on the earbuds, but I'll check those out in a little bit. And you also have 4 different ear tips right here as well, with one already installed on the earbuds themselves. And you have your USB Type-C charging cable right here. And then down below right here, this is where you have your earbud case, obviously. Okay, people, so here is the charging case right here, and a quick size comparison with the Apple AirPods Pro. It is slightly bigger, as you can see, all the way around, but I mean, it's still very compact in my opinion. I don't think that you will have any issues if you just want to slide it inside your pocket. There won't be too big of a bump sticking out of your pocket. It won't be uncomfortable to walk around in. So you should be good money when it comes to that. And quickly going around this case, on the back side right here, this is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. You cannot charge this case up wirelessly, so that's out of the question. And then I do believe this is a reset button for the charging case. This lid door right here is held together by magnets, so if you tip it upside down, they will not open up. This is how the earbuds will look on the inside. And then when I tip those upside down, they are held in by magnets, but I don't think the magnet is that strong. Let me test that out. Okay, so it made me a liar. These are held in by magnets. The earbuds are held in by magnets as well, and they are held in with a pretty strong magnet. One more thing that I did forget to mention about the charging case is that you do have these 3 LED lights on the front side, which is the indicator lights for the battery status of the charging case. And as you can see, I do have 3 lights. So that means that they are fully charged. And when I put the earbuds back in the charging case, you can see that the lights are blinking, indicating that the charging case is charging the earbuds back up. Okay, so going around these earbuds right here, like I said before, they do have ear fins already pre-installed, so you do get a total of 3 ear fins, and then also obviously the ear tips as well. They said that there is 6 mic holes on here, which I can see. You do have a microphone on the outside, which I do believe this is a touchpad right here, but I will test that out in a little bit. You have another microphone hole on the top side, and then the 3rd microphone hole towards the front of the earbud right here that faces more towards your mouth. That's how it is on both earbuds, so yes, that's a total of 6. Okay, so this is how they look sitting inside my ears. They do not stick out that much, so I'm all right with that. I think if they were a stem type earbud, they would stick out maybe a little bit less, but I'm cool with how they look and feel right now. I'm very comfortable. I don't see these falling out of my ears at all, no matter what I'm doing, which is always a nice touch if you want to go out and ride your bike with these or run in these or do some type of CrossFit exercise. I don't see these falling out at all. Okay, so after you're done charging these earbuds up completely, that's when you want to go and download the Soundcore app, which I do have right here. And then once you open these up, it will tell you to hook these up to your device via Bluetooth and then go inside the app. It will run an update. I had to run a firmware update on these and it took maybe about 10-15 minutes for that to completely run. And I just had to not use them and just make sure that everything went through smoothly. After that, the earbuds will restart and then reconnect to your mobile device. Once you do open up this app, this main screen will show up, and what you want to click on is the earbud icon up here. Obviously, these are the Life series right here, and then you scroll down, and these are the Life A2NC. You click on that, and it'll run through the whole setup process. But since I already have these set up to my mobile device, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on these. And as you can see, this is the main screen for these Life A2NC earbuds. So at the top left, you do have these 4 squares. If you click that, it takes you back to the screen with the speakers you can hook up or the headphones you can hook up and all your devices that you have already hooked up to this app. So I'm just going to click inside of that once again. On the top right, you do have this gear icon. This is where you have your settings. You have your firmware, your serial number, auto power off. You can set that to 5, 10, 60 minutes, or you can just cut that off completely. I will just leave that at 30 minutes. Touch tone, turn that on or off. And touch tone is to get the audible beeps inside of your earbuds when you, I think, are pushing buttons or something like that. Firmware update right there. I just updated my firmware, so I know that's up to date. You got your help, your quick start guide, and your user manual. And the help, quick start guide, and user manual is everything that came inside of the box. This right here, you can just go ahead and just go inside the app and look up everything, so you don't have to. So when you're out and about and you need help with something, just go ahead and click inside the app. You're good money. Also, you have this question mark icon, and up here, it says Life A2NC, gives you how-to videos, operation, Bluetooth charging, and the sound. You have your feedback, live chat, and phone. So if you are having issues, you can't figure it out for yourself. If this page doesn't help out, you can send them an email, you can go on live chat, or you can give them a phone call. I don't know how well the phone call will work, but whatever, it's there if you need it. And then as you can see, you do have the image of the earbuds right here. It gives you battery percentage below them, left, right. And then underneath that, the ambient sound. This is where you can change your ambient sound modes right here. So inside of noise cancellation, you can change the modes from transport, indoor, outdoor. So those 3 different ones under noise cancellation. Under transparency mode, you can have fully transparent or vocal mode, and then normal is just regular sound settings. They give you multiple options inside these earbuds for ambient sound. And what I've noticed lately, if you do get Soundcore earbuds that has the ability for noise canceling, you have all of these options in here. I know I just reviewed the Life Q35 headphones, and you had all the same options inside of the app when it came to the Life Q35 headphones as well. And then also at the bottom, you do have your equalizer button right here. At default, it's set to Soundcore signature, and if you click on the arrow, there's about 21 to 22 different presets that you can automatically click. And if you hit custom, you can go ahead and customize whatever. Let me see. And if you hit custom, you can go ahead and customize whatever EQ, however you want it to sound. Move these up and down to get the highs, the mids, the lows, exactly how you want them to sound. And then also you can get to that custom as well from this button right here. So if I go back, I'm gonna keep it on default right here. And at the bottom, you also have these icons. Click on home, it takes you back to the home. And then also now for the button functions on the controls. Like as I mentioned earlier, these buttons, they are not physical tactile buttons. They are touch pads. So double tap on the left one will go to your next track. Double tap on the right one will pause and play your music. But then you can also customize these. So if you click on that, you can pick exactly which one you want to the double tap to do. So double tap on the left track is good for me. Double tap on the right one, I would want to go to the previous track. And then hold down for 2 seconds for the left. You can adjust your ambient sound, which you want that to be. And then let me see. And then also on the right one as well, you can adjust the ambient sound. But Yeah, and so I'll just leave it like that. Obviously, you have the options. You can customize it exactly how you want to customize it to suit your needs. And that is pretty much it. Everything inside of this app. Obviously, I do like this app simply because it does give you that customizable EQ, which just makes a world of difference when it comes to getting that perfect sound that you want. So yeah, people, that's all I got for you. That is everything inside the app. Let me know what you think about it. Leave a comment down below if you think that they should add more to this app or if it's just perfect. Okay, so now for sound quality. But before I get into more detail about the sound quality, I want to talk about the noise cancellation modes inside of this app a little bit more. It does give you a resemblance of noise cancellation when you're on, when you do click noise cancellation inside the app and you switch from transparent, outdoor, and indoor. You can notice a slight difference. I actually heard other earbuds and headphones from Soundcore be a little bit better in this department. So I'm guessing that these are more, since these are more of your budget type earbuds from Soundcore, that they don't have the same technology inside of these earbuds as some of their higher end earbuds have. And then when I also go to transparency mode and click between fully transparent and vocal mode, yes, you can hear a difference, but I've heard other earbuds from Soundcore do a lot better job than what these Life A2NC earbuds are doing. Yeah, that's my opinion on the noise cancellation of these earbuds. Please, people, take this with a grain of salt because I'm not an audiophile, nor do I ever claim to be. I'm just giving you my honest opinion on exactly how I'm hearing this from these earbuds. So with that being said, I'm able to get pretty good highs, but the highs to me, they just seem like they are not, and forgive me if I messed this description up, not natural. They seem more digital. I don't know if that makes kind of sense to you, but it seems like there's more technology working instead of the actual intended sound from the music actually coming through. It seems like the app is just manipulating the highs to give you that clearer highs. And same thing with the mids. The mids, they are decent. You're able to distinguish between female voices and what instruments are playing, and it's spread out through various tracks that I listen to, but even still, it's not the best that I've heard from Soundcore. I don't know if it's to do with these headphones, which I think that might be the case more than just the app. And then the lows, they do have settings inside the app where you can adjust the EQ, obviously, to try and get the most lows out of these earbuds. And also they have presets for like bass boost, but I just don't get that nice, deep, rich, thumping bass sound that I normally hear from earbuds that have an EQ. So for the sound department in these earbuds, they are decent at best, to be completely honest with you. Now, if you're just a regular music listener and then obviously you don't care about having the highest quality sound possible, then these might be something for you. But if you are an audiophile, then these definitely are not what you're looking for.
And then when it came to call quality, I did call my dad on these earbuds, and with the 6 mic technology on here, what does it say? It says 6 mics with uplink noise reduction. I called him. These earbuds worked out perfectly. As you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person would hear you on the other end of the phone call. But let me put some ambient noise on so that you can hear how much ambient noise that these don't let in. Okay, so right now I do have ambient noise playing in the background. Shout out to the late great Nipsey Hussle. But as you can hear, I'm not sure how much ambient noise is letting in. When I did this test with my dad on the phone, he said he was hardly able to hear ambient noise coming in that I was playing. And then my speaker back there, my Google Home Hub Max, is on at volume 7. So it is fairly loud in here. So let me know what you think, how much ambient noise it's letting into these earbuds. Go ahead, comment down below. Let me know what you think.
So when it comes to latency, these do have Bluetooth 5.0 in them, and they support the codecs SBC and AAC. See, I tested out multiple video streaming platforms: YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, all the major players when it comes to video streaming. No latency issues. When I did test out gaming as well for latency, I had no problems with latency whatsoever with these earbuds. And so yeah, people, that's pretty much it. That is my full review on these Soundcore Life A2NC earbuds. I love the feel, I love the look, I love the design. I would like to have seen the charging case have wireless capabilities. I think that is the standard in 2021 when it comes to earbuds. I think technology has evolved enough for any type of earbud case. You should have wirelessly charging. That's just my opinion. Nonetheless, the case is nice and compact. The earbuds are nice and snug. They fit. Call quality is really good on here. Very, very low latency. I just don't think that the sound quality when it comes to listening to music is up to par for the Soundcore standard. And then also, obviously, you do have an app inside of these earbuds which you can customize the EQ to try and get it tailored more to what you like. If you're in the market for some budget earbuds, these might be for you. You're not gonna get that more premium sound out of them, but you're also not paying that more premium price as well. So, and that's all I got for you people. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if this is your first time here to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.